Open acrylics are distinct from every other acrylic paint available today. They are a slow-drying acrylic that offer artists some unique capabilities. Golden makes a variety of slow-drying acrylic mediums that enable artists to blend colors easily. In this demonstration, we'll look at the options and techniques available for subtle color transitions that might not be possible using fast-drying acrylic colors. Golden also offers acrylic glazing liquid, which is another product that can be used with Golden colors for blending. While not as slow-drying as Open, it provides a similar working quality to Open fluid medium. Open is a slow-drying acrylic product that is compatible with heavy body and fluid colors. If there are certain colors that you regularly use on your palette for blending, try adding the matching color in Open. Here's some cobalt blue and titanium white on a palette in both heavy body and Open acrylics. The important thing to remember when you mix these two types of paints is that the resulting mixture will dry faster or slower depending on the ratio of heavy body to Open. The more Open you use, the slower it will dry. We're going to blend into a base of titanium white. Keep in mind, absorbent surfaces will dry faster, while smoother, less absorbent surfaces will dry slower. Using a wet-on-wet technique, we'll take the blue and work it into the white. In order to keep the full intensity of color, we've used no medium or water. If the mixture is drying too fast, you may intuitively think adding water to the paint will help slow the drying time. However, with Open in particular, water will actually accelerate drying. If your goal is full intensity color, use more of the matching Open color to extend the drying time. If you find that the paint is staying wet for too long, next time use more heavy body than Open in your mixture. It's important to remember with Open that even after the surface of the paint is dry to the touch, it may not be dry underneath. So it's best to wait a few days before overpainting with regular acrylics or working the surface very hard with a brush or a knife. Many people wonder if adding retarder to fast-drying acrylics will accomplish the same thing as using Open. And while some people can make that work, there are limitations. Since retarder contains no binder, its use has to be limited to ensure good paint adhesion and film integrity, while Open colors and mediums will dry to the same durability and archival quality as fast-drying acrylics. Another blending technique made easier with slow-drying acrylic colors is glazing. Here I'm going to start with an area already painted with fast-drying acrylic colors and fully dry. Glazing simply means to make color transparent by the addition of clear medium. When you use Open gel or fluid medium for glazing, you will slow down the drying time of your mixture. If you want to speed up the mixture of your glaze, mix in some regular fast-drying gel or fluid medium. Blending is all about control. By using slow-drying acrylics in combination with fast-drying acrylics, you can decide how fast or slow you want your paint to dry, without the odor or solvents of oil paints. If your work requires a more relaxed painting style and smooth transitions of color with blending, Open acrylics and mediums and acrylic glazing liquid could transform the way you use acrylics. Thanks for watching.